Hi, how are you? It's me Siraj, and I'm going to show you how to create a pen holder mold in Solidworks. So I have already generated part about pen holder. So let's see. This is our part. Now we are going to start for a mold. So first we click on the mold tab and you will see there is a parting line. For parting line we chose top line and click on the draft analysis. Here you will see four type of colors. First one is green, this shows positive draft, and second one yellow, it's no need for any draft, and red for a negative draft, and blue is for sometime straightening critical lines and curves. We will talk later for this kind of information. So two colors are very important in this session, so positive and negative draft. Now we select the corner, and here is blue color appears. That's mean parting line is complete. The mold can be separated into core and cavity. So this is a basically parting line for mold opening and closing. Now you just click on OK. Okay, our first step is complete for parting line, and next one is for parting surface. Here you will see parting surface. Click on this and select on top view. Select normal to surface and then change the value. Here it is showing 7 and we will 30. I think it's enough for our model. Okay. Okay, after that we have to do tooling split on this surface. Sketch about core and cavity. So select a circle and it should be closer to parting surface, and just OK. Now our step is a tooling split. So you will see which we have created a circle for mold and cavity, and this is appear on our screen. So I think it's 130. It's OK. If you want to change, so change this value 140. If you want to change this value 60. Okay, it's up to you. This is the core, and this is the cavity, and this for parting surface for part. So okay, if you think it's okay, just click on right OK button. You will see mold. Now in solid bodies we will see it's a parting line. First one part which have created by us, and this is a core and this is a cavity. So it's time to save this object first. After that, right click on save bodies and auto assign. So you will see the three bodies automatically selected by the software. So you just click on OK button. Yes. So you will see this kind of file after saving. So go to assembly, explode view, select this one, done, select next, done, and now OK. Right click, collapse, and animate. You are looking, this mold was ready for preparation. One thing is more, you should change the appearance of the part. It's a cavity. Save and open this part. Change the appearance. I'll choose different color. Click save. OK, and select this one. Open, change color, save, close. Now you will see again animated view. If you like this video, okay, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yes.